3, 2, 1.
How many islands does Kuwait have? The answer is A, 9. What part of the brain takes its name from the Greek for seahorse? The answer is A, hippocampus. Which film star has his statue in Leicester Square? The answer is D, Charlie Chaplin. Which city hosted the CS Colingo DreamHack Open 2015? The answer is D, Cluj-Napoca. Which of the following is a character in the video game Destiny? The answer is B, Cayde 6. Which Pokémon and its evolutions were banned from appearing in a main role after the Episode 38 incident? The answer is B, the Porygon line. When the Falcon Heavy was launched on its test flight, what was the only part of the operation that failed? The answer is A, center core landing. In Star Trek, what is the Klingon death ritual? The answer is A, look into sky and yell loudly in morning. At what temperature does temp in degrees C equal temp in degrees F? The answer is C, -40. The medical term for the belly button is which of the following? The answer is D, umbilicus. Neptune's Greek name was? The answer is C, Poseidon. In which country is the city of Rio de Janeiro? The answer is B, Brazil. Which of these is not an island that is part of the Philippines? The answer is B, Java. In the ADV English dub of the anime Ghost Stories, which character is portrayed as a Pentecostal Christian? The answer is D, Momoko Koigikyubo. How old was Lawrence Fishburne when Francis Ford Coppola cast him in Apocalypse Now 1979? The answer is C, 14. Who is the chemical element curium named after? The answer is B, Marie and Pierre Curie. Coleslaw originated from which European country? The answer is A, the Netherlands. The coat of arms of the King of Spain contains the arms from the monarchs of Castile, Leon, Aragon, and which other former Iberian kingdom? The answer is C, Navarre. Which of these is not a wonder weapon in Call of Duty, Zombies? The answer is A, R115 resonator. What organ of the body produces bile? The answer is A. Liver. Which Kirby game first introduced copy abilities? The answer is B. Kirby's Adventure. Which American manufactured submachine gun was informally known by the American soldiers that used it as grease gun? The answer is C. M3. EDM record label Monster Cat is based in which country? The answer is C. Canada. Which of these Indian languages is not part of the Indo-European language family? The answer is B. Tamil. Which Sanrio character was introduced in 1996? The answer is C. Pompompurin. What tool lends its name to a last stone advantage in an end in curling? The answer is B. Hammer. In Yakuza 0, what is the order of the fighting styles acquired as Kazuma Kiryu? The answer is B. Brawler, Rush, Beast, Legend. Which planet in the solar system is the closest to the Sun? The answer is C. Mercury. The catastrophic nuclear accident that occurred in Ukraine in 1986 occurred at which power plant? The answer is D. Chernobyl. Before the 19th century, the living room was originally called the The answer is C. Parlor. Which of these countries remained neutral during World War II? The answer is C. Switzerland. What is the Roman numeral for 500? The answer is B. D. What does gigahertz stand for? The answer is B. Gigahertz. American illustrator and writer Morris Sendak is most well known for writing which children's book? The answer is B. Where the Wild Things Are. What is the plane curve proposed by Descartes to challenge Fermat's extremum finding techniques called? The answer is C. Folium of Descartes. Which of these covert groups employs Sam Fisher to work as a splinter cell? The answer is C. Third echelon. What is the common term for bovine spongiform encephalopathy (BSE)? The answer is B. Mad cow disease. What was Requiem the Chef's debut solo album? The answer is B. Only built for Cuban links. What year was Apple Inc. founded? The answer is A. 1976. Which class of animals are newts members of? The answer is D, amphibian. In Shrek, what comedic actor voices Donkey? The answer is B, Eddie Murphy. The Potato Sack was a collection of indie games released on Steam in 2011 as a promotion for which game? The answer is C, Portal 2. What Greek letter is used to signify summation? The answer is D, sigma. Which of the following films was not directed by Hayao Miyazaki? The answer is D, Wolf Children. Which actor was not a major character in TV show Freaks and Geeks? The answer is A, Jonah Hill. When was Hubba Bubba first introduced? The answer is B, 1979. Which school in Surrey, England did Steve Backshall attend? The answer is C, Collingwood College. In the Archie comics, who is Jughead's first girlfriend? The answer is B, Joni. Which of these jersey numbers has Shaquille O'Neal never worn? The answer is C, 35. The A-Team first aired in the USA and in the UK in what year?